In this video, we're unboxing and replacing the front sway bar link for Mazda 3 2008 to 2014. Front sway bar link. The following are the tools required for replacing the front sway bar link. The 5mm hex short bit. The medium 14mm short socket. The large 15mm deep socket. The large 19mm deep socket. The medium ratcheting wrench. The 8mm ratcheting wrench. The 15mm wrench. The large extendable ratcheting wrench. The large torque wrench. Use the large 19mm deep socket and the extendable ratcheting wrench. Loosen the lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Use the large 19mm deep socket with the large impact wrench to remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Use the large 15mm deep socket with the large impact wrench. Remove the top retaining nut on the front sway bar link. Remove the wheel speed sensor harness bracket. Of the lower retaining nut on the front sway bar link, we use the 5mm hex short bit with the 8mm ratcheting wrench and the 15mm wrench. Slide the 15mm wrench in. Insert the 5mm hex short bit. Insert the 10mm ratcheting wrench. Remove the nuts. Remove the front sway bar link. Here's the comparison of old versus new front sway bar link. Before installing the new front sway bar link, remove the nuts. Line it up with the mounting holes and install the link. Reinstall the wheel speed sensor harness bracket. Install the retaining nuts. Use the medium 14mm short socket with the medium ratcheting wrench. Tighten the lower retaining nut on the front sway bar link. Use the same tool to tighten the upper retaining nut on the front sway bar link. Replace the other side sway bar link the same way. Remove in the same process. Now install the wheel. Use the 19mm deep socket to install the lug nuts. Use the large 19mm deep socket with the large impact wrench. Snug the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle. Use the large 19mm deep socket with the large torque wrench. Torque the lug nuts to specific. Tighten torque 150 Newton meters, 111 foot-pounds.